Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 14 fractions in that exercise 14a. So let's discuss homework answers first. From the following fractions, separate first proper fraction and then improper fractions. So some fractions are given here. You need to write which all are proper fraction and which all are improper fractions. So proper fractions are 2 by 9, 7 by 15, 11 by 20, 18 by 23, 27 by 35. All these fractions have numerators less than their denominators. That's why they are proper fractions. Okay, now improper fractions are 4 by 3 and 20 by 11. Here numerators are greater than their denominator. Okay, so they are improper fraction. Next, fourth one, change the following mixed fraction to improper fraction. So given fractions are mixed, you need to convert that to improper fractions. So 2 1 by 5. So 2 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5, you will get 11 by 5. Second one, 3 1 by 4. The answer is 13 by 4. Third, 7 1 by 8. The answer is 57 by 8. 2 1 by 11. The answer is 23 by 11. Next, fifth question. Change the following improper fractions to mixed fraction. So, given fractions are improper fractions, you need to convert that to mixed fractions. So, first one, 100 by 17. So, in order to convert improper fractions to mixed fraction, you just divide numerator by the denominator. Okay, so dividing 100 by 17, you will get a 5 as quotient and 15 as remainder. So how can you write this fraction in mixed form? First write the quotient, that is 5, then remainder by divisor. Okay, so 15 by 17. 15 by 17. This is the mixed fraction of 100 by 17. Okay, 5, 15 by 17. Second one, 81 by 11. So, on dividing 81 by 11, that is numerator by denominator, you will get the quotient 7 and remainder 4. So, how can you write this in mixed fraction? First write the quotient, that is 7. Then remainder by divisor, that is 4. Remainder is 4 by divisor is or denominator is 11. Okay, so 7, 4 by 11. Next, third one, minus 209 by 7. So divide numerator by denominator. 209 by 7. You will get a 29 as quotient and a 6 as remainder. So writing this in mixed form, you will get, first write the quotient 29, then remainder by divisor, that is 6 by 7. But here minus sign is there, so put minus sign before this. So the answer is minus 29 6 by 7. Okay. Next, sixth question, change the following group of fractions to like fractions. So, like fractions, what do you mean by like fractions? You know, the fractions that have the same denominator but different numerator. They are called like fractions. So, first one, 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 1 by 6. Here, denominators are different. You need to convert these fractions to like fractions. Okay. So, first, in order to convert these fractions to like fraction, first step is find the LCM of denominators of the fractions given. Okay, LCM of denominators. Here denominators are 3, 5, 4 and 6. So, find the LCM of denominators 3, 5, 4 and 6. You can use common division method or any method you can use. 3, 5, 4, 6. Here 3 and 6. or you can divide by 3. So 1, 5 you can't divide by 3, so write 5 itself. 4 also you can't divide by 3, so 4, write 4 itself. Now 6 by 3 it is 2. Okay, now 5 you can divide by 5 only. So 5, 1, 5 by 5 it is 1. Now 4 and 2 you can't divide by 5, so write 4 and 2 itself. Now 4, 2 you can divide by 2. So 1, 1, 4 divided by 2 it is 2. 2 divided by 2 it is 1. Okay, either you can stop here or you can divide this 2 by 2 to make it 1. Okay, so 2 you can divide by 2, so you will get 1, 1, 2 by 2, 1, now 1. So you got all the numbers. In the last line you got 1, so you can stop. Now LCM will be 3 into 5 into 2 into 2. Okay, 3 into 5 into 2 into 2. It is 5 into 3, 15, 15 into 2, 30, 30 into 2, 60. So LCM of denominators 3, 5, 4 and 6 is 60. Now next step is make the denominators equal to this LCM. Okay, so the fractions are 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 1 by 6. Make the denominators equal to the LCM we find. Okay, so 3 you need to make this denominator equal to 60. Okay, 3 on multiplying by what number you will get 60, that you can find. Okay, 3 into 20 you will get 60. Okay, you can divide 60 by 3, you will get 20 only. Okay, so 3 into 20 you will get 60. So 1 also you multiply by 20. Okay, if you are multiplying denominator by a number, numerator also you should multiply with the same number. Okay, so 1 into 20 you will get 20. So this 20 by 60 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 and 20 by 60 are equal. So they are equivalent fraction. Okay, now denominator 2 by 5. Denominator you need to make this equal to LCM, that is 60. So 5 into 12 you will get 60. If you divide 60 by 5 you will get 12 only. So 5 into 12 you will get 60. So 2 also you multiply by 12. 2 into 12 it is 24. So 24 by 60 is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. Okay. Next here 3 by 4. In that 4, denominator 4 you need to make this equal to 60. Now 4 into 15 it is 60. So 3 also you multiply by 15. 3 into 15 it is 75. Okay, so 75 by 60 is an equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Next 1 by 6. 6 you need to make this equal to 60. 6 into 10 you will get 60. So 1 also you multiply by 10. So what you will get? 1 into 10, 10. 10 by 60 is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 6. Okay, so you got 20 by 60. You can write 20 by 60. Next 24 by 60. Next 75 by 60. Then 10 by 60. So we got like fractions. Okay, they have the same denominator but different numerator. Second one, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 11 by 12, 3 by 10. So first step is find the LCM of denominators. Which all are denominators here? 6, 8, 12, 10. Okay, 6, 8, 12 and 10. So finding their LCM, what you will get? 6, 8, 12, 10. Now all these are divisible by 2. So you can divide by 2. Okay. 6 divided by 2 it is 3. 8 divided by 2 it is 4. 12 by 2 it is 6. 10 by 2 5. Now 3 and 6 you can divide by 3. So 3 by 3 1. 4 you can write 4 itself. 4 you can't divide by 3. Now 6 by 3 it is 2. 5 you can write 5 itself. Next 4 and 2 you can divide by 2. So 1. 4 by 2 it is 2. 2 by 2 1. 5 you can't divide by 2, so write 5 itself. Okay. So now you can stop because 2 and 5 do not have any common factor. So you can stop and our LCM will be this product of these prime factors, that is 2 into 3 into 2 into this last line, that is 2 into 5. Okay, 1 no need to take. So 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. 6, 6 into 2 12. 12 into 2 24. 24 into 5 you will get 120. 120 is the LCM of the denominators. So 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 11 by 12 and 3 by 10. These are our fractions given. You need to convert this to like fractions. So next step, after finding LCM, what to do? Make the denominators of the given fraction equal to this LCM. So first fraction 5 by 6, denominator you need to make it 120. So 6 into 20 you will get 120. Okay, 120 by 6 you will get 20. So 5 also you multiply by 20. Okay, 5 into 20 you will get 100. So 100 by 120 is an equivalent fraction of 5 by 6. Next 8. This denominator you need to make it equal to LCM, that is 120. So 8 into 15 you will get 120. So 7 also you multiply by 15. 15 into 7 it is 105. Okay, so 105 by 120 is an equivalent fraction of 7 by 8. Next 11 by 12. So denominator 12 you need to make this equal to the LCM, that is 120. So 12 into 10 you will get 120. So 11 also multiply by 10. 11 into 10 it is 110. So equivalent fraction of 100 by 10 by 120. It is 11 by 12. Okay. Next 3 by 10. 10. You need to make this equal to 120. So 10 into 12 you will get 120. So 3 also you multiply by 12. 3 into 12 it is 36. So the equivalent fraction of 3 by 10 it is 36 by 120. So what are the like fractions here? 100 by 120, then 105 by 120, 110 by 120, last 36 by 120. These are the like fractions of the given fractions. Okay. Here denominators are same, numerators different. Okay. Next, exercise 14b. First question. Reduce the given fractions to their lowest terms. First one, 8 by 10. So, in order to reduce a fraction to its lowest term, divide both numerator and denominator by their common factor. Okay. ഒരു ഫ്രാക്ഷനെ ലോവസ്റ്റ് ടേമിലേക്ക് റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിനെയും ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിനെയും അതിൻ്റെ കോമൺ ഫാക്ടർ വെച്ച് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. സോ 8 and 10. 8 is the numerator, 10 is the denominator. 8 and 10 will go in 2. You can divide 8 and 10 by 2. So 8 divided by 2, you will get 4. 10 divided by 2, you will get 5. So the lowest form of 8 by 10, it is 4 by 5. Now 4 and 5 do not have any common factor, so this is its lowest form. Okay, 8 by 10 equal to 4 by 5. Next, 50 by 75. Now 50 and 75 will go in 5. Both you can divide by 5. And 50 and 75 you can divide by 25 also. You can choose the greatest one. If you know means you can choose the greatest number. That is HCF. Actually it is HCF. Okay. So 50 and 75 you can divide by 25. So 50 divided by 25 it is 2. 75 divided by 25 it is 3. So the answer is 2 by 3. This is the lowest form of 50 by 75. Next 18 by 81. 18 and 81 you can divide by 9. Okay. So 18 divided by 9 it is 2. 81 divided by 9 it is 9. So 2 by 9. 2 by 9 is the lowest form of 18 by 81. 2 and 9 do not have any common factor. So this is its lowest form. Here 2 by 3. 2 and 3 do not have common factor. So 2 by 3 is the lowest form of 50 by 75. Okay. So if you are writing a fraction in their lowest form means numerator and denominator should not have any common factor other than 1. Okay. Second question, state whether true or false. In that first one, 2 by 5 equal to 10 by 15. So here you need to check whether these two fractions are equal or not. Okay. So in order to check whether these fractions are equal or not, first make their denominators same. That is, convert the given fractions to like fractions. Okay. So, രണ്ട് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസ് ഈക്വൽ ആണോ എന്നുള്ളത് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസിനെ ലൈക്ക് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസ് ആയിട്ട് മാറ്റാം. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സ്. ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സ് യു ഷുഡ് മേക്ക് ദാറ്റ് സെയിം. So, LCM of the denominators, that is 5 and 15 you can find. It is 5 into 3, 15 you will get. LCM of the denominators is 15. So, next step is make the denominators equal to this LCM. So, 5, 2 by 5, denominator 5, you need to make it 15. So, you know 5 into 3 equal to 15. So, 2 also you multiply by 3. 2 into 3, you will get 6. So, first fraction, it is 6 by 15. Next, 10 by 15. The denominator is 15 itself, so no need to change. You can write a 10 by 15 itself. Now, in place of 2 by 5, you can write a 6 by 15. In place of 10 by 15, you can write a 10 by 15 itself. Now, comparing these two fractions, that is 6 by 15 and 10 by 15, they have the same denominators. So, compare their numerators. In the first fraction it is 6. In the second fraction it is 10. Now, we know 6 is less than 10. So, we can say 6 by 15 is less than 10 by 15. Okay. So, they are not equal. 6 by 15 not equal to 10 by 15. 6 by 15 is less than 10 by 15. So, what we can say? 2 by 5 is less than 10 by 15. In place of 6 by 15, you can write as 2 by 5. Okay. In place of 10 by 15, we wrote here 10 by 15 itself. So, since 6 by 15 is less than 10 by 15, we can write 2 by 5 is less than 10 by 15. So, in the question it is given 2 by 5 equal to 10 by 15. So, it is false. Okay. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സ് സെയിം ആക്കി, തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന രണ്ട് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസിന്റെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സ് സെയിം ആക്കി 6/15 10/15 കിട്ടി. ഇനി ആ രണ്ട് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസ് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സ് സെയിം ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ന്യൂമറേറ്റേഴ്സ് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യാം. ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ ഏതാണോ വലുത്, ഏത് ഫ്രാക്ഷനിലാണോ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ വലുത് വരുന്നത് അതായിരിക്കും വലിയ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ. സോ ഇവിടെ 6 10 ആണ് വലുത്. സോ 10/15 ഈസ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഹിയർ. 6/15 ഈസ് സ്മോളർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ 6/15 ലെസ് ദാൻ 10/15. സോ 6/15 നമ്മുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ 2/5 ആൻഡ് 10/15 ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ 6/15 പ്ലേസിൽ 2/5 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ, 10/15 നമ്മൾ 10/15 തന്നെ എഴുതിയത്. സോ you can write 10/15 itself. So 2/5 less than 10/15 ആണ്. ഇവിടെ ലെസ് ദാൻ ആണ് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയത്. സോ ഇവിടെയും അത് തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും. ബട്ട് ഇൻ ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 2/5 ഈക്വൽ ടു 10/15 എന്നാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ എന്തായിരിക്കും അത്? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫാൾസ്. ഓക്കെ, സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ 35/42 ഈക്വൽ ടു 5/6. You need to check whether these two fractions are equal. So first what to do? Make the denominators of the given fraction equal. That is, convert the given fractions to like fractions. Okay, so in order to convert two fraction to like fraction, what to do? Find the LCM of the denominator. Like fractions like മാറ്റണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സിന്റെ LCM കാണലാണ് ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ LCM of 42 and 6, it is 42 only. You will get 42. Okay, now the given fraction 35/42 and 5/6, make their denominators equal to the LCM, that is 42. Okay, in the first fraction denominator is 42 itself. So you can write 35/42. അതിനെ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല, ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ LCMനോട് ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് 5/6. ഹിയർ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ is 6. Change this denominator equal to LCM. So 6 into 7 you will get 42. So 5 also you multiply by 7. 5 into 7 it is 35. So two fractions are 35/42 and 35/42. And we know 35/42, what will come here? Less than, greater than or equal to. ഇവിടെ ന്യൂമറേറ്റേഴ്സും ഈക്വൽ ആണ്, ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സും ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. സോ ദേ ആർ ഈക്വൽ. ഓക്കെ, 35/42 ഈക്വൽ ടു 35/42. സോ വാട്ട് വി ക്യാൻ സേ? ദിസ് ഇസ് ട്രൂ. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഫിഫ്ത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 9/7 ഈക്വൽ ടു 1/7. So 9/7 is an improper fraction, but 1/7 is a mixed fraction. So first convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction, and you know how to do that. 1/7 equal to 1 into 7 plus 1 divided by 7. That is 7 plus 1, 8/7 you will get. Okay, so in place of 1/7 you can write 8/7. Now 9/7 and 8/7, are they equal? No, because here 9 in the numerator it is 9, here in the numerator it is 8. Actually 9/7 is greater than 8/7. This is true. Okay, numerator, the fraction with a greater numerator is greater. ഏത് ഫ്രാക്ഷനിലാണോ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഗ്രേറ്റർ നമ്പർ ഉള്ളത് അതായിരിക്കും ഗ്രേറ്റർ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ സെയിം ആകും വേണം. സോ ഹിയർ 9/7 is greater than 8/7, but in the question it is given 9/7 equal to 8/7 or 1/7. Okay, so this is false. Third question, which fraction is greater? In that first one, 3/5 or 2/3. So you need to find among these two fractions which is the greater. So in order to find which fraction is greater, first make their denominator same. Okay, make their denominators same means convert the given fractions to like fractions. Okay, 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Convert these fractions 2 by 3. Convert these fractions to like fraction. So, finding the LCM of denominators. Here denominators are 5 and 3. You will get a 5 into 3 equal to 15. LCM of 5 and 3. 5 and 3 do not have any common factor. So their LCM will be 5 into 3, 15. Okay. Now make the denominators of the given fraction equal to the LCM, that is 15. So first fraction 3 by 5. This denominator 5, you need to make it 15. So what to do? 5 into 3, you will get 15. So 3 also you multiply by 3. You will get 3 into 3, 9 by 15. Okay. Next 2 by 3. 2 by 3, you need to make the denominator equal to 15. So 3 into 5, you will get 15. So 2 also you multiply by 5. 2 into 5, it is 10. Now 9 by 15. First fraction is 9 by 15. Second fraction it is 10 by 15. Now which one is greater one here? 9. Among 9 and 10, 10 is the greater one. So 10 by 15 is greater fraction. Okay. Now our question is 3 by 5 or 2 by 3. So in place of 9 by 15, you can write its equivalent fraction 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5. Equivalent fraction of 3 by 5, it is 9 by 15. Or in place of 9 by 15, you can write a 3 by 5. Okay. Now in place of 10 by 15, what we can write? 2 by 3. Okay. So 3 by 5 is less than 2 by 3. Or we can say 2 by 3 is greater. This is our question. Which is the greater fraction? So 2 by 3 is greater. Second question, 5 by 9 or 3 by 4. So 5 by 9 and 3 by 4. First, make their denominators same or convert the given fractions to like fractions. So what to do? Find the LCM of denominators. Here denominators are 9 and 4. Okay, LCM of 9 and 4, it is 9 into 4, 36. 9 and 4 do not have any common factor. So LCM will be 9 into 4, 36. Okay, so 5 by 9. You need to make the denominator equal to LCM, that is 36. 9 into 4, it is 36. So 5 also you multiply by 4. 5 into 4, it is 20. Okay, next 4. 3 by 4. 4, you need to make this equal to 36. 4 into 9, it is 36. So 3 also you multiply by 9. 9 into 3, it is 27. Now you can compare these two fractions. 20 by 36, 27 by 36. So here 20 and 27. Which one is greater here? 27. Okay, so 20 by 36 is less than 27 by 36. Now our question is 5 by 9 or 3 by 4. Which one is greater? So in place of 20 by 36, first fraction, you can write a 5 by 9. In place of 27 by 36, you can write 3 by 4. So since 20 by 36 less than 27 by 36, 5 by 9 is less than 3 by 4. Or in this means what? 3 by 4 is greater. Okay. Now fourth question, which fraction is smaller? Okay. First one, 3 by 8 or 4 by 5. So we can use the same method that we use to find which fraction is greater. Okay. The same method we can use. The only difference is which fraction is smaller, which is the smaller fraction that you need to find here. Okay. So 3 by 8 or 4 by 5. In order to compare these two fractions, first make their denominators same. That is, find the LCM of denominators 8 and 5. Now 8 and 5 do not have any common factor, so the LCM will be 8 into 5, 40. Now make the denominators of the given fraction equal to LCM. First 3 by 8. 8 you need to make it LCM, that is 40. So 8 into 5 it is 40. So 3 also you multiply by 5. 3 into 5 it is 15. Okay. Next 4 by 5. 5 you need to make it equal to LCM, that is 40. So 5 into 8 it is 40. So 4 also you multiply by 8. 4 into 8 it is 32. Okay, so two fractions we got, 15 by 40 and 32 by 40. Which is the greater fraction or smaller fraction? Which is the smaller fraction here? The fraction with the smaller numerator will be smaller fraction. Okay, numerator ഏതാണോ ചെറുതുള്ളത് അതായിരിക്കും ചെറിയ fraction. Numerator ഏതിനാണോ വലുതുള്ളത് അത് വലിയ fraction. So our question is which fraction is smaller? So 15 by 40. This is the smaller fraction. Okay, 15 by 40 less than 32 by 40. Therefore, 15 by 40 is smaller. But our question is 3 by 8 or 4 by 5. So in place of 15 by 40, you can write 3 by 5. Its equivalent fraction 8. Now in place of 32 by 40, you can write its equivalent fraction 4 by 5. Okay, so 3 by 8 less than 4 by 5 you got. Therefore, what we can say, 3 by 8 is smaller. This is our answer. 3 by 8 is the smaller fraction. Now exercise 14b, remaining problems of question 1, 2, 3 and 4 you can do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.